guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another trunk club. I have done several videos about Trunk Club. Basically this is a Nordstrom run company. They send you a box full of clothes, you try them on, you keep what you want, you send back what you don't. You have a stylist that works with you and they will email you back and forth asking questions. They send you a preview trunk. You say, yes, send me these, don't send me that, or you know, whatever, and then you go from there. So I've been working with the same stylist now for several boxes, and I feel like we've gotten a pretty good idea of my style, what I like, etc. This time around, I was actually traveling when she sent me my trunk preview, and so I was basically like, yeah, sure, send me whatever. And all of it looked fine. Plus, I didn't have anything specific in mind that I necessarily needed, but I thought it, you know, it would be fun to just see what she picked out for me. So she sent me a couple pairs of shoes. These are from Sam Edelman and I love them. I think they're so cute. They're this suede kind of sagey color. They actually list it as seafoam, but I think it's more of a sage color, which I love. I think they're super cute. They're really comfy. They're just, you know, a plain, simple tennis shoe. I think they're great. So those are fun. Plus, I think some of these items were on sale. I always tell her to send me stuff that's on sale because, let's face it, Nordstrom is expensive. You get good quality stuff, but it's expensive. And then the other pair of shoes were these ones. These are from Børn. I have a pair of Børn boots that are like more of a motorcycle style, and I wear them almost every single day. I love them. So I was excited about these, and they are really comfortable. They're super cute. I love the little tassel zipper on them. I already have a pair of boots that are just like this. Otherwise, I would absolutely keep these. I'm actually kind of thinking about keeping these ones anyway, just because I know that they're good quality, they'll last, they're comfy. I don't know, aren't these cute though? I love them. Okay, she sent me a jumpsuit. I've had this obsession with jumpsuits lately. I actually just got a Christmas jumpsuit from Target. I'll post a picture of me wearing it because it's ridiculous and I love it. So she sent me this one, which has this kind of crinkle material. It's super comfy, roomy. It doesn't have pockets, which I was a little sad about. And the waist is like in the wrong spot on my body, but I don't know. I mean, it's still comfy and kind of cute. What do you guys think? I don't know what shoes to wear with it though. That's my only thing. Okay, and then she sent me two pairs of jeans. The last jeans that she sent me, I think I couldn't even get them on or something because they weren't stretchy. These ones are super stretchy. These are from Cut from the Cloth. They're actually both Cut from the Cloth, and I love this brand. The first one is Reese, which is kind of a more casual fit with a cropped leg, and it's like a straight leg kind of a thing, which I think looks really cute with the tennis shoes. She suggested wearing it with the boots, but I did not care for that look at all. And then she suggested that I pair this with a couple different tops. So the first one is this one, which I really love the pattern on this. It's this really beautiful green. What shade of green is this? I don't know. Gorgeous green. And it's just, you know, a lovely plaid print. But I felt like the actual cut of the top was not me. I could see it being totally cute on somebody else, but on me, I just felt like, you know, just doesn't feel like me. But I loved the pattern and the color. This one, oh my gosh, it is so soft and so just like squishy. It feels like you're wearing a stuffed animal. That's what it feels like. It's just, I just want to snuggle it. I wish that I had had this when I went to Tahoe a couple weeks ago because I was freezing the whole time I was there, and this would have been awesome to wear. This is just, I'm telling you, I just want to snuggle it. So anyway, that, and then I think it's actually really cute. It's interesting. It's kind of fitted, but it's not so tight that I feel uncomfortable. It's very stretchy. It has this wonderful large scoop neck, which I like. And then the sleeves, they actually do have like a little bit of padding right here to make them puff up more. And you've got this blousey, billowy sleeve, which I think is kind of fun and interesting. So I liked this piece. I thought that this was good. The color is almost like a weird brown, which I'm not sure is flattering on me. What did you guys think? Because I don't know, it's not a color that I ever normally wear. The other jeans are Diana. These are skinny jeans, but they felt like, can you see the shape of the leg? It's not like a pencil skinny tapered kind of a thing. They actually have a little bit of room in them, especially in the calf ankle area. And like I said, they're super stretchy. They feel very comfortable. And then she had me pair these with this blouse. I don't know, when I first put it on, I was like, actually, that's really cute. Is it? I don't know. You know, one of those things where I'm like, I don't own anything like this. Do I like this? I liked the very casual, easy breezy cut of it. The pattern is a little carpet bag old lady-ish a little bit, and I think that might be what's throwing me. I like the color of it. It was comfy. It's a little bit stretchy, but not super stretchy. I don't know. And that's it. That's everything she sent me. So let me know what you guys thought of everything. Some things I really love. I'm definitely on the fence about a couple of items, but I think overall it was a good box. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box as well as links to all of these pieces in case you were like, oh my gosh, I love that, I have to have it. You can just get it from Nordstrom. And then I will leave my stylist's referral link too. So, all right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!